Hi, I'm Aaron from LifeStraw. I'm going to walk you through the storage directions for your LifeStraw Escape. I'll be covering both short-term durations when you're storing it for less than a month, and for those periods where you'll be storing it for longer than a month. For short-term storage, your first step is to follow our backwash procedures. These are outlined in a separate video you can find at lifestraw.com or on our YouTube channel. After backwashing and draining the water out of it, you're going to allow it to dry with the lid off. You can then store it in this configuration in a dry, cool place. We do want to stress, however, to avoid freezing. Once a filter is used, if it freezes, you could potentially damage the ultrafilter membrane, making it potentially unsafe to use for purifying water. For long-term storage directions, you're going to need to follow the following steps. After you've completed the backwashing procedure, remove the tap and filter assembly from the tank. Remove and dispose of the carbon filter and drain any remaining water from the tank. Reinstall the filter and tap assembly with the carbon filter removed and close the tap. Fill the tank with roughly 5 gallons of clean water. Then mix 1 teaspoon of unscented household bleach into the water. Screw the lid on, pressurize, and filter about 3 gallons of the diluted water and bleach solution. This will leave some water in the bottom of the tank, enough to cover the ultrafilter. After disinfecting the filters and draining the excess water, what you're going to want to do is keep the lid on, make sure everything is depressurized, and store in a dry, cool location. Again, we want to stress that you need to avoid freezing temperatures, as once filters freeze, they can be damaged and compromise the integrity of the ultrafilter membrane. For more information about your escape, please visit us at lifestraw.com, where you'll find detailed user manuals, more how-to videos, and frequently asked questions. Or you can always email us at info@lifestraw.com.